put this in the vlog yet, but if you're watching this, and that means I did put it in there. We're doing another little fun project for a client that wants me to skate down this mountain wearing a tuxedo. So I'm really hoping I don't fall. It's probably the most expensive outfit I've ever skated in, or I will have ever skated in. So yeah, wish me luck.
It's in his birthday suit.
Because it's his birthday.
Yeah. Well, he bought that suit for his birthday. What's he not gonna wear it? Come on. It's the birthday suit, dude. Come on. Who do you think I am? I'm not gonna wear my birthday suit. Get out of here. I couldn't find it either.
Chicka-chibaka.
We're currently back to the apartment transferring some of the footage from
When she's done, you can put that glass right back on the shelf. It'll be so clean.
He goes quiet whenever we go over there, so I think it's over there for sure. Not in the basement.
We want to make sure we get everything that we need, but we'll show you some of the best shots. Check it out.
Eyes are closed.
Dude, that cow just wanted some trouble.
Come on, my tongue is.
Tongue is like too big for her size. It's like a hummingbird tongue. What the? The thing is huge. Good grief.
No, because the cup's like a magnifying glass.
No, man.
Warps the light.
You wish.
The tongue waves.
I hope you think maybe.
I have a prism.
No, it's really that big.
Dude.
Dude.
Dang.
Peaches and cream.
It would make it. Wouldn't it also make it like fat if it was a prism?
What?
She's like touching the bottom of the glass.
It's like those mirror
Yeah, because how
rooms.
is her nose?
With her taste buds.
How's her nose proportionate too?
Yeah, everything's proportionate. It's got to be her tongue's that big.
What's in that cup?
Oh my gosh.
What's in that cup?
Peach.
Peaches and cream.
Okay, at least she'll
Peach shake.
smell like peaches.
A peach shake, yeah. From Chick-fil-A. This is an advertisement.
It just smell like peach and fish.
It's free advertising for Chick-fil-A.
And rotten fish.
Is that all, honey?
That's it. She's looking for more.
She's looking for more. She found that little potato chip that was there for like 3 weeks. But
That's it. Nope, there's more.
Oh.
Back for a second. She doesn't need an appetizer.
just making sure. Just making sure.
Second appetizer.
Final touches. Finishing.
And
Super nervous for this, but yeah, wish me the best.
When she's done, what she'll do is she'll go. At what point is the beverage completely gone and you're just licking your own region of... I wish I hadn't said that.